little project here is a non-working PlayStation 4. I'm sure most of you guys would be smart enough not to tear this apart just for the gold, because the parts are quite valuable, and just selling it like this would give you about 300 bucks. But let's say you happen to fall on one that's been crushed by something really heavy or a car or something, then you could scrap it for gold. So let's take this apart and see how everything works. So this guy here just slides open like that. And you have a little hard drive here. And you'll need some security Torx bits, and because they're pretty much everywhere. It's not small enough. This way. So there's a few of these screws over here. And the funny thing is, you could even sell this stuff, this plastic stuff, for quite a bit if you look around. So, like I said, the only way you should scrap one of these for gold and whatnot is if it's completely, totally smashed. That's that. And there's a few security tabs here. Sorry about the noise. So if this was something I would have personally bought at a retail store, Best Buy or something, my warranty would just get voided. Because I just took out the warranty seals. What's that? So, just to show you guys what I just did, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 little screws here that are hidden behind these little tabs. And again, they're security Torx screws, which Sony loves to use and everyone else hates.